the question. Let A is equal to set of x belongs to W such that x less than 2. B is equal to x belongs to N such that 1 less than x less than or equal to 4, and C is equal to set of 3 comma 5. Verify that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. So here A value is not given directly, but they have given that it belongs to whole number. So the whole number starts from 0 and they are saying the value should be less than 2. So what will be the value of A? It is set of 0 comma 1. So 0 comma 1, it's a whole number and it is less than 2. Next, for B they are saying it belongs to N. N means natural numbers and it should be greater than 1, less than or equal to 4. So B value will be 2 comma 3 comma 4, and C value is already given as set of 3 comma 5, and we need to verify this statement. To solve that, first we need to find LHS value. So LHS value is A cross D union C. So first we'll find B union C. B value is set of 2 comma 3 comma 4 and C value is set of 3 comma 5. So when you club these values, we'll get 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So if the value is repeating, you just have to write it once. Then A cross B union C is equal to, write A value, that is 0 comma 1, and B union C value is set of 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So write in ordered pairs, we'll get 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4 and 0 comma 5, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 and 1 comma 5, and write it as equation number 1. So next we need to find the RHS values. The RHS, the first value you need to find A cross B. So write A value is set of 0 comma 1 and B value is set of 2 comma 3 comma 4. So write an ordered pairs, we'll get 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 4. So after finding A cross B, find A cross C. Write A value, that is set of 0 comma 1 and C value is set of 3 comma 5. Write in ordered pairs, we'll get 0 comma 3, 0 comma 5, 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 5. Now club both the values. That means we need to find the union. So when you find the union for these, we'll get 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4, 0 comma 5, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 and 1 comma 5. Mark it as equation number 2. Now compare your equation 1 and 2 and verify whether both the values are same or not. So from equation 1 and 2 we get A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Hence verified.